Trying to pick a smartwatch, but everything feels the same? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're putting the CMF Watch Pro 3 and the Amazfit Bip 6 head-to-head to see which one truly stands out. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one is worth your attention. Let's get into it. Comparative analysis. Talking about the materials and build, the CMF Watch Pro 3 features a precision-milled metal frame with a clean and minimal circular design that gives it a stylish and modern look. The Amazfit Bip 6 uses a lightweight aluminum alloy frame with a fiber-reinforced polymer back, making it more comfortable and better suited for long daily wear and fitness use. The CMF Watch Pro 3 comes with a 1.43-inch AMOLED display in a circular layout, offering sharp visuals and a classic watch feel. The Amazfit Bip 6 features a larger 1.97-inch AMOLED display with higher brightness, providing a bigger viewing area and better readability outdoors. The CMF Watch Pro 3 packs a battery that can last around 10 to 13 days depending on usage. Focusing on balanced performance with smart features enabled, the Amazfit Bip 6 also delivers strong endurance, lasting up to around 14 days, slightly better optimized for efficiency, even with its larger display. Both watches include core health tracking features like heart rate monitoring, SpO2 measurement, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and multiple sports modes. The Amazfit Bip 6 leans more toward advanced fitness tracking and deeper sports analytics, while the CMF Watch Pro 3 focuses on a smoother smart interface, Bluetooth calling, and a more lifestyle-oriented experience. Both smartwatches use efficient low-power processors designed to optimize battery life and smooth performance rather than raw power. The CMF Watch Pro 3 is tuned for responsive UI within its ecosystem, while the Amazfit Bip 6 uses Zepp OS optimization to ensure stable tracking and smooth navigation. The CMF Watch Pro 3 was launched around July 2025 and sits in the budget smart premium category, with a price usually between $70 and $100 depending on region. The Amazfit Bip 6 launched around March 2025 and is typically priced around $80, making it a strong value competitor in the same segment. The CMF Watch Pro 3 is best for users who want a stylish, minimal smartwatch with smart features and a clean, modern design that fits everyday lifestyle use. The Amazfit Bip 6 is better suited for users who prefer a larger display, stronger fitness tracking capabilities, and longer-lasting battery performance for active and outdoor-focused usage. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.